Hey, what's happening? Just thought I'd show you off the new 143 scale car I got for the Mad Max collection. The EJ Holden Ute. It's got Goose's bike in the back from the first Mad Max film. Now the details on this are fantastic. So good. Considering how tiny it is. Goose's bike in the back there. Got that protective strip there covering most of the engine bay. Yeah, that is great. I purchased this through a friend of mine at MFP Badges, and it arrived two or 3 days ago now. But these are great by Ace DDA. Yeah, so cool. I've got quite a few in this 1/43 scale. I've got 118 and 164, just a whole lot of stuff. But I'll get to that eventually. Now this one's only new. It only got released to the market, 2-3 weeks ago now. I heard about it being released earlier, or was it mid last year? And I thought, well, got to get it when it comes out. There's a 118 Sass and Scuttle coming out as well, so I'll be grabbing that. I know I've pre-ordered that, but to be honest, I can't remember who I got it through. But I'll worry about that later. But yes, this is absolutely fantastic. The vehicle Goose was in before it rolled, thanks to Johnny the Boy, and was set alight thanks to Toe Cutter and Johnny the Boy. But very cool. Now it's in this plastic baggy thing. I'll be taking that off once I find a permanent place for it in my collector cabinets. But yeah, they all come in this wrapped in this plastic thing, but it's in a hard display case, so I'll be keeping it in that. But there's not much on the back, just a bunch of nothing, and just the Ace logo and the DDA logo just there. But yes, so that's just a quick look at the EJ Holden Ute with Goose's Kawasaki bike. Very cool. If you see this, grab it. Anyway, that's everything. See ya.